everyone, welcome to Hire's Champion Home Ground. Follow me. So this is the Hire Egypt pop-up event that everyone has been waiting for in the North Coast. So let's go. Here is the new Horizon refrigerator. Its huge 641L capacity means fewer grocery runs during Ramadan, and it makes ice right on the door. Hire perfectly combines washing, drying, and fabric care. It's like having a private dry cleaner right at your home. So this AC can self-clean, purify indoor air, and keep working smoothly even at 58 degrees Celsius. And now I'm sitting right among super excited fans. The TV's AI picture quality makes you feel like you're in the stadium. And there's no glare in daytime. Champion your higher life.